Uh-oh. This thing's going off. That's going off for the first time. That's spiking real good. Oh my God. Wow. Meter spiking, Dale. Jesus. This thing is spiking, Dale. You know. Wow. This is the first spike we've gotten. Dang. Listen to that. Holy crap. This thing is pegging out, Dale. I'm trying to explain what we're doing, but we just had a big... Look, oh dear God, Dale. This thing is pegged. Oh, can you feel anything, Dale? Do you feel anything? My God. That thing has been quiet. I think they something just realized we were here. Holy crap. I'm going to walk away from it and see. I wasn't even around it, though, when it went off. So now it's down. Hold on. I'm seeing if it's me. I'm doing a test. I'm backing up. Nope, it's still going off. Yep, still going off. All right, I'm at a homestead. I was here last night, and this thing, meter, is pegging. And so I came to this homestead, and like we were leaving, and the Chuck Will Widows started going off. And every time I hear a Chuck Will Widow, I hear a vocal. I was on the main dirt road leading to another dirt road where the homestead was. We were leaving the homestead, and I heard the Chuck Will Widows. There's a difference between a whippoorwill, and it's not a whippoorwill. I was wrong before in stating that. It's a Chuck Will Widow. And I think there's a connection. I don't care what anybody says. It's my own thoughts. It's my own thoughts that I think it's related, you know, and how I look at that. Oh, this is stupid and crazy, but listen, you know those cows, and they have these white birds all the time following them around. So why in the hell can't a bird follow any kind of forest creature or being? Because every single time them Chuck Will Widows goes off, we hear vocals. And last night, when the Chuck Will Widows went off, we were on that road. That's my brother-in-law, by the way. But we were on that road over there, that dirt road. So what I did tonight, I put a recorder out. I got the therm going. Let me see what's going on with that again. It's just low. It's not pegging like it was. And I got the therm out and the meter to see what's going on in this area. There were 2 vocals last night, and also Dawn was with me. Hold on. I'm waiting for the Chuck Will Widows to go off. Come on, birds. I don't care what anybody says. Them damn birds have something to do with something. And I also went online and listened to all the Chuck Will Widows calls. And not one of them is what I'm hearing. Not one of them. It's much deeper and vibrational. I'm going up to this thing. 58. Now I'm going to go up with my phone, just where it is. Not really. Nope. 15, 19, 22, 28. Now that might be me. Look. Pegging. Okay, take it away. Okay. So I debunked that. Now I'm stepping way back. It was still at 154, 265, 336, 414, 440. And I'm way back. So maybe it wasn't. No, I'm way back. And it's still pegging. I can see the numbers. 122. Oh, dear God, that was it. Oh, my God. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? No. Dale. Did you hear that? That was close. gosh, I'm so excited right now. Sorry guys, I'm being quiet because I heard 2 loud vocals, meters going off. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my Lord, that's it. You hear that? That bird. Oh my God, that's it. How's the meter? I'm staying back, way back here, so I can get a correct reading. It's 46, 43, it's just 48, you know, a little bit of energy running around, but man. They were very, very close. They were in there. Yeah, don't cut your head. Got it? Yeah, careful, careful. You want me to do what?
You're shutting it.
You want me to shut it?
No, when you're at that.
Well, we can shut it so the mosquitoes don't get in it. If you're, where are you gonna go? I got a chair. Oh, jeez. Name it Squeaky. Oh, wait. Let's give it one more chance. Oh, did you hear that knock? Did you feel it? I'm getting out of here. Oh my God, my car's dead. Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You didn't feel something pushing the car?
Yeah.
I'm moving up a minute. That scared me. Oh, you listen. You feel like you're being pushed.